Hey everybody, good morning. How are you? Happy Thursday. I hope that you're doing well in your part of the world. I know that I'm fortunate to have viewers from all around the world, so I hope that you're doing well. I hope that you and your families are safe in your part of the world. But today, I'm just grateful that I get to spend some time with all of you. It's our chance to get together and look at data science and take a little bit of a unique view today. We're going to take a little bit of a unique view where we're actually going to study some data today, which is great. Actually, let me adjust my camera here. I just noticed my camera is slightly off. The framing on my camera is slightly off. I think I hit it earlier. There we go. All right. Believe it or not, I have these little lines that I guide myself with as far as where the eye lines are and everything. But anyways, as I was saying, today we have a little bit of a unique stream because we're going to continue our study of some data, particularly a research report around gold, which I think is really fun. We had a fantastic stream last week when we did this. We did this a week ago today. We did this last Thursday. Had a really good time. Really felt like one of my best streams ever, and it's because of you guys that make that stream good. You know, we had a lot of discussion back and forth, and I really think that the data is interesting because, you know, gold is a little bit of a universal item, right? You know, every culture, every country out there has some interest in gold. But really, my goal is to kind of create that meta framework so that you can take this and say, okay, yeah, that's how studies come together. That's how I can utilize research reports. That's where I can find data. Because, you know, there's a little question that my most popular inquiries on Discord, on chat, on my comments, my messages is, well, I don't know where to start. I don't have project ideas. I don't know where to get data. This is it. This is where you get data. This is where you get started on your projects, on your portfolios, on developing your skills. So I'm really looking forward to it. I'm really looking forward to, well, I always look forward to spending time with you guys, but in this particular scenario where we're actually doing some research work, I think it's fun and just, you know, just a really good way for us to get together and get working together. So I can already appreciate that there's some people in my chats. Look at the lineup. Look at this. So many people already lining up in the chat. We have people across all platforms today, so this is fantastic. I'm really looking forward to that. So yeah, let me go acknowledge the chat, and then, you know, we'll see if we want to get started or not. If this is your first time joining us, which I know that might apply to some of you, that's great. Please feel free to just let us know where you're from. You know, if it's your first time, you want to, whatever you want to share about it, about yourself, that's great. We ask people to kind of introduce themselves before, you know, jumping into the conversation and all that. Okay. So let me look at my chat. Rahul, you're first today. Rahul says, I am the Supreme. By the way, how you doing, my man? Yes, Rahul, you are the Supreme. You were first today. Congratulations. I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking. Yeah, I'm doing great. I got up a little early today. I went to, I took my dog to the dog park early today, you know, so guys, you know, people have been asking me to do a day in the life video, and maybe I'll do that sometime. But yeah, I mean, like, I know this is going to sound crazy, but a lot of times I start my day in the dark. I leave my house. I go to the dog park. I'm usually there by 4:30, 4:45 in the morning but basically, like, I'm there in the dark by myself, just watching my dog run around. I mean, my day starts off pretty early. And then I always go to my Starbucks, you know, get my coffee, and then I come back here, work, do stuff for you guys, do stuff for the content. So yeah, but you know, to me that's a good way to start the day, you know. But yeah, but my day is going well because I also get up early because I get excited for these streams, especially one like today, right? You know, so it's good to get up early, you know, and get everything done. So I'm doing great. Thanks for asking, Rahul. Rex says hello from a chilly New York City. Oh, is it chilly over there? Okay, cool. But you know, the falls in New York are beautiful, beautiful out there. I wish I could be out there. Maybe I'll make it out there sometime. But fall in New York is beautiful, so Glad you're doing well out there, Rex. Bisma, our good friend from Pakistan, says hello. Hey, Bisma, nice to see you. Glad you're here. Silly Caddy, you only make appearances for the classes, don't you? Yeah, but glad to see you. Hope you're doing well. I know you attended last week, so I know you know how fun it was, so hopefully we'll have some more fun this week. Hey guys, please don't spam my chat. You guys are better than that. Let's keep it professional, okay? If you type it once and it appears on your screen, I guarantee you it appears on mine. Let's keep things professional, guys. Joseph says, good morning, Dennis. Happy pre-Friday. Happy pre-Friday to you too, Joseph. I like the way you put that. Hope you're doing well too. You know, you remind me of something. I once saw like a meme online or something that said something like Happy Thursday, or as I like to say, day 4 of the hostage situation. That's what you reminded me of. So, you know what? But I don't feel that way, you know, because I work for myself.